This used to be part of GE, right? And then it got spun out. So why is he so interested in this?
So it's interesting. You're right. So Synchrony used to be the financial services arm of GE.
Right.
They do a lot of store cards. So when you go to JCPenney and they offer you 5% off if you take their credit card, that's Synchrony behind that card. And yeah, it's very similar to some of the bets that Buffett has made in the past. So Synchrony is both a lender and a payments network, exactly like American Express, which Buffett is the largest holder of. So he likes these kinds of businesses where there's a really high barrier to entry, but then payments obviously is kind of a, we always need to pay with something. So
right, indeed, even more so now, cashless here. Exactly. Okay, how is it different from American Express or MasterCard or Visa?
So what's interesting about Synchrony is obviously with these store cards, they maybe attract a customer that's a little bit of a lower FICO score. So Amex is long the card of these wealthy, very opulent card holders, and Synchrony is a little bit more down market. So we're seeing Buffett kind of take a bet in a way on the private label space. They've had a lot of troubles this year with credit quality. They've had to raise their forecasts for losses twice in the last 12 months. But a lot of folks say that this is the bottom and now's the time to get in. I think Buffett obviously buys into that.
Yeah, down 18% this year, the worst performer on the S&P 500 financial index. So why is Buffett just looking past all of these problems?
It's a good question. So a lot of folks say that this is the bottom, and so they've obviously lowered or they've raised their forecast for losses from here. So we're hoping that we've got it all accrued for, and we're ready to kind of hit the ground running. And Synchrony has actually been able to post a lot of organic growth in loans, something that banks here are really struggling to do. But Synchrony works with these retailers to really come up with these very compelling offers and have been able to really put the numbers on the board. And so obviously Buffett has noticed.